Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short and easy speech on Independence Day with Shayari. तिरंगा हमारी शान है, भारत हमारी जान है, वीरों की कुर्बानी से आज़ाद हिंदुस्तान है. Good morning everyone, my name is Maya. Today I am very happy to speak about Independence Day. India celebrates Independence Day every year on 15th August. On this day, in 1947, India became independent from British rule. Our freedom fighters made great sacrifices for our country. Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many other brave heroes fought for our freedom. We should always remember their sacrifices and respect our country. Independence Day teaches us to love our nation and become responsible citizens. We should work together to make India strong, peaceful and developed. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.